Welcome to Kedal Labs How To series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to create volumes in Databricks. Volumes allow you to store and manage data in structured, semi-structured, or unstructured formats directly within your Databricks environment. We'll cover both managed and external volumes and demonstrate how to upload files and explore the data seamlessly. To begin, start by navigating to the catalog and selecting a schema within your Databricks workspace. Click on Create and choose Create Volume from the drop-down menu. Next, decide whether to create a managed or external volume. For external volumes, you need to provide the storage location and path. Once the volume is created, you can upload files by clicking the plus icon under the schema and selecting Upload to Volumes. Using the SQL interface in Databricks, you can create managed volumes to store data directly within the platform. This type of volume is fully managed by Databricks, ensuring seamless integration and simplified maintenance. After creating a managed volume, it's important to verify its properties. Use commands to describe the volume and confirm it has been set up correctly. Additionally, review the configuration details to ensure the volume is accessible and ready for storing files and data. To organize your data within the managed volume, create directories to structure your files effectively. Once the directories are in place, upload your data into these directories. This setup allows you to store structured, semi-structured, or unstructured data within the volume for further processing. Once your files are uploaded, you can query the data directly from the volume. Use the SQL interface to explore the data stored in the files. If you prefer to leverage external storage, you can create an external volume. Specify the storage location, such as an Azure blob storage or an external data lake, and provide the necessary path and permissions for Databricks to access the storage. Similar to managed volumes, verifying the setup of your external volume is essential. Use commands to describe the external volume and validate its configuration. Ensure it is correctly linked to the external storage location and that the volume is accessible for both reading and writing data. To upload and organize data in the external volume, create directories to maintain a well-structured hierarchy. Upload your files to the external location. Finally, you can load data from the external volume into a data frame or table. Once the data is loaded, display it to confirm everything is set up correctly and ready for processing. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.